use this medium to ask some few questions. We want to ask John Dramani some few questions. The first question: what informed your thoughts to conclude that guns do not need any form of development, but only think about their stomach? How and what do you take guns for? That's the second question. What exactly did you do as president for guns during your tenure in office?
And the former president John Dramani Mahama wouldn't ban. Mupa Munya dying while you're the same person. I don't know about him and Paina and man you look on home. Miss Bernadette watching. Wow. Once it's high, what I'm telling you, I didn't the power by our one man Paina. Now what you can so let us company crazy what Cassie investigating Sandy Patroya, the former national organizer Emma NDC ya what he can say say commando was it be akwana modene kono Ghana for peno yam peno funny sinchen Mahama or your former national organizer for the NDC.
In can I form here dokuno chenam. No, you see, clear say political parties, political leaders in Ghana no. The only thing that they know the Ghanaian need is food. I'm not downgrading and say you see amount of 5 6 you follow them to go and do stupid things. Because enemy are sebe, we are second enemy. Over the catch will be said, well yeah, dokuno chenam. No, chenam no. Yadi. Now it shows the way most of the Ghanaian political class no the ordinary people like. Anything and they make us say, "Wa ube jina say yem fon kwa yem kwasi adwuma." Na say because Bob bia sum, especially the youth know what Jimmy Pro Max.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, hi Xposed GH, FM Ben Bruce. Subscribe, share to somebody. You know, your election year. Na bro hene. Minum ni John Mahama no. Eni odi gu no so ani. What's hey? John Mahama. Who kasa te say o ma Ghana da. Who kasa te say wo ni afiane da. What's say yen ko back. Ni next time ba mi aso de. What's yen ko back ni kai ensem bia John Mahama aye ne ya waka. Ye go tie dem bra.
And the former president John Dramani Mahama wouldn't ban. Mupa Munya dying while you're the same person. I don't know about him and Paina and Mam you look on home. Miss Bernadette watching. Wow. Once it's high, what bomb on home. I'm telling you. I didn't the power by our one man Paina. Now what you can so let us funny crazy what Cassie investigating. Sandy Patroya, the former national organizer Emma NDC ya what he can say tie commando was it be akwana modene kono Ghana for peno yam peno mumfani sinchen Mahama nyamena meka or your former national organizer for the NDC yantie do kind emra
Megina tua me tua ye ntia mani abra me kase be yi a ye momodiana at least enka hihye bi mra emma mia makonta His Excellency John Dramani Mahama nkatia se be ye adwuma enye se wono a si agina na wa ye so besia ko bi ma kan won trase no onye panyin a owum se wo sabom na mum se obi kura nyinche no a nipa no enko gitumi no na nko no wafro ba nwane da no otimi atrenchire na nka futu obi wa waye dey odi amasa nipa if say NDC for say manfo ni ma ya sema mobo
NDC asema mobo
na NDC for no webre enhu saade no ya sema mobo
asi NDC asema mobo former national organizer for the NDC nyame na meka etu ye NDC ni atie nkomo no nyame na meka ampayinfo ni de hu kanea ne semu kolusu na edin so mbe ka kire mo se ye kolusu omunim se kandini no leader na mo de na ekono onye active productive enough se Ghana for begina tumni ato abama no wontimi nya adwuma no bo muntimi ka kire mo etumpan nti ye dada mo ye krokro mo ena yakọ decorate Mahama ne yeden sia be kire Ghana for etumpan former propaganda secretary Solomon Nkansa wo bia na no ka ba bi say da bi sa kwa we Mahama we de yede ne ko du ye be lusu du ono abia na no ka say even 2024 Mahama besi lusu yentie no
nti phone na nkasa wo ba no wo ye failure na wasaba bua NDC sumu ya den ya faili anu nti say ya yi jemen ntin a enkugu kwan so anye nama ya dama na si ebi nkugu a wono abaji anti se oba NDC ni musese am na okase ya ye di nkugu 2016 ye system collation system ejamo ye yes and the nkugu 2020 ye collation system ejamo
na mo de tabia na mo
tiemi kasaba abono wo be pra o profit den nti phone na nkasa wo ba no wo ye failure na wasaba bua NDC sumu ya den ya faili anu nti say ya yi jemen ntin a enkugu kwan so anye nama ya dama
wow politics nti some of our politicians almost kasa to say ye wu akunya ne da ye say ye be kukuru a sanke shawma ana me boa ake shawma hwe kwatre kwase mema ntuma bisani din ye wura jomama ni obe nyina wa ye da o ye huda ni otumi ye nyina no ye huda enti enye nne na oba be ka che me say ye mfa ade mawo na sabi obe bibi. The only personal political landscape who Nejuma and Anakwambedi ako. Aye. Only the only personal sub ye who your beda. It is any pana misro. There be a say, Obia or ye unknown package in Misro say Obia Mehunida. Nia Mehuda, nia baby Mehuda. Yera Mahama. Nia Ube Dumso Yehui. Bass brandy Yehui. Dear Ben dear Bay Yehui. Inflated prices. Yera Tamos cannot or see ye investigate too. Na ni BCC ye eti John Mahama nya baby ye but you see there is something about your papa John Mahama I wonder yes or your political communication expert that I don't think so because the kasa you know kasa no it seems say one new yes no kasa na say wako kasa tianka for say one mu here Kenkey and fish you see the Ghanaian mentality and na boil no yenko tiembra
The flag bearer of the National Democratic Congress, John Dramani Mahama, during an engagement with stakeholders in your Kenkey South constituency, said Ghans will prefer to eat Kenkey, fish, and pepper and not digitalization.
Such careless, ignorant, and divisive language has no place in our society, let alone in the discourse of someone aspiring to lead this nation. These derogatory statements held at the Dangbis were not only disrespectful, but malicious in nature, designed to inflame, prejudice, and perpetuate harmful stereotypes.
He also had these questions for the former president.
Every community, tribe, and ethnic group in this country deserves respect, dignity, and equality. We want to use this medium to ask some few questions. We want to ask John Dramani some few questions. The first question: what informed your thoughts to conclude that Ghans do not need any form of development, but only think about their stomach? How and what do you take Ghans for? That's the second question. What exactly did you do as president for Ghans during your tenure in office? What is your plan for Ghans as per your current manifesto?
The group has given the NDC flag bearer a week ultimatum to retract his comments and apologize to Ghana people or risk dealing with the massive protest and disaffection for his campaign among the Ghana community.
We are by this presser giving you, John Mahama, 1 week, and I repeat, 1 week, to retract the statement and render an unqualified apology to the entire Gadangbe community. In conclusion, if you have nothing to do for Ghans, do not add salt to our injuries by insulting us. We will organize a strong and a massive protest against John Dramani Mahama. From Langba to Adan, we would organize everyone and will come against him.
The concerned Ga Dangbe youth of Choco are also calling on chiefs within the Ga communities to take action against the former president.
Swambi, what's saying in can for me here dokuno and chenam? No, you see, a clear say political parties, political leaders in Ghana, no, the only thing that they know the Ghanaian need is food. I'm not downgrading and say, you see a more 5 6 you follow them to go and do stupid things. Because enemy are sebe, we are second enemy. Over the catch will be said, well, yes, dokuno and chenam. No, and chenam, no, yadi. Now, with him, it shows the way most of the Ghanaian political class, no, the ordinary people like. Anything they make us say, "Wa ube jina say young found kwa young pasi juma." Na say because Bob be assume expected the youth to know what Jimmy Pro Max telling you. Because only baby, they don't even think about you. All that they want to do is that say our master udio machi na yodium odeko. But say wu obeye ye na say be wado ho obuwa efa. And nothing that you run and I was obwa. Was I have come for the youth. Me buy yen so me bramu nyuma me catch your idea be say you can do it. Eti na beginning na no obai no che say sika say ne wo. Ye wo sika say or Chelsea accountability is the word. The hallmark of what? My governance. And yes sabe. Na wo na na kwam bedi akọ send your humility kasa. Again or ye the King Solomon of our time. And nti send ya wo hwe die. Because December 7th, Abano enko MPP enko NDC, new force. Nieti amenka no 12 no say aba wow maka say be use sa. Sa. I suppose you Jeven Babus but subscribe here. Subscribe here the tumpa. Now we say we no see.